Hello, dear friends. Today we'll need 130 grams of sugar, 120 grams of flour, and 4 eggs for the batter. First, we beat the egg whites and gradually add the sugar. Gradually add the 4 egg yolks. Now, let's add the flour to the egg whites we whipped earlier and gently mix the batter. Now carefully spread the batter onto a baking sheet and place it in the oven for 15 minutes until fully baked. Here we have a nice light sponge cake layer. We need 1 kilogram of sour cream, 200 grams of sugar, and 20 grams of vanilla sugar to make the cream. When the cream is ready, we can assemble the cake. Don't forget to soak the cake layers with the syrup, which includes 50 grams of water, a tablespoon of brandy, and 50 grams of sugar. We spread the layers and cover them with the soaked cake layer using our syrup. We make a border with the cream and add the filling. And cover the filling with the same soaked cake layer. To make the ganache, we'll need 320 grams of chocolate and 120 grams of butter. We need to melt the chocolate over a double boiler, then add the butter and mix well with a mixer. Now let's add a bit of color to the ganache. Coat the cake with ganache until it's perfectly smooth. If the ganache hardens and becomes too stiff, you can warm it up over a double boiler.